Prophet is a tactical bullpup design. It has a lot of the design elements you see in the bottle-forward bullpups that are very popular in the market right now. It's well executed. The materials are very high quality. The craftsmanship is very high quality. The fit and finish of this gun, really outstanding. The gun is compact. It has a barrel length of 24 inches with an overall length of just 30.5 inches. So very compact. The weight's 7.2 pounds, and that includes a 580 cc carbon fiber bottle. The guys at RTI did a little customization of this gun for me with my American Airgun Hunter logo included, which I really appreciate. But you know, speaking about the cheek weld on this this gun, the magazine is unusual because you can actually just push it over to the left or the right, depending on whether you're a left or right hand shooter, to get it out of your way, so it doesn't hit right in your cheek, and it drops the profile down so you can nestle in and get a good sight alignment. And I think that's quite interesting. I like that. My gun has the plenum extension, which gives an extra 22 cubic centimeters of air volume for the regulator. That's a total of 57 cubic centimeters of regulated air. And that's part of what allows this gun to provide such exceptional power output, as well as consistency, shot-to-shot consistency. The Prophet is equipped with two pressure gauges. The one forward gives the fill pressure for the HPA tank. The 500 cc carbon fiber tank has a maximum fill pressure of 300 bar. That's about 4,300 psi. The left gauge indicates the regulator pressure, and this can be set to anywhere between 80 to 200 bar. The Prophet has a two-stage adjustable trigger that can be adjusted down to a pull weight of just over 10 ounces. There's a manual push across safety that's located directly behind the trigger blade. The trigger adjustments are made using a 1.5 millimeter Allen key that's inserted into the side of the action through the holes below the magazine well. The Prophet has a shrouded barrel, and it still has a bit of a bark to it. It's not the quietest rifle around, though there's a half-inch UNF thread protector that allows you to screw in a airgun silencer, and this really quiets the gun down quite a bit. I think the side lever cocking mechanism on this gun is very interesting. It's that the handle itself is very solid, very ergonomic. You can get a very good purchase. It's smooth as butter, and it's everything you want in a side lever action. But what's interesting, it's on the left side of the gun as opposed to the right, which you normally see. And once you get used to this, it gives you easy access to cock, and you can cycle the action very, very quickly without coming off target. To mount a sling on my gun, I used an AR-type attachment and just clipped it onto one of the holes in the buttstock where it's out of the way. On the forestock, I got a bottle band that has integrated sling swivel, and I mount a standard sling using those two attachment points. So after I got a bit of range time in, I decided to get this gun out to the field. Was really interested to see how it hunts. I think the 25 and 30 are ideal calibers for a small game gun because they allow you to go out and take small game. They're completely appropriate for taking squirrel and rabbit-sized game, and you can also go out and take bigger game with them. You know, things like fox, predators, hogs, for instance. Anyway, with that, I'm going to get out and I'm going to take this gun out and do a squirrel hunt with it. So I use it for small game, and then I'm going to go out and do a pig hunt in Texas with it. So you got me up north in the frozen north in the cold after squirrels, and then we're going to head down to Texas. And I'm not going to talk too much now. We'll just leave it running through the video, and you can watch to see what happened.